Let's look at this why question as we have it to be a building drawing, and here we have that figure 2 shows a sketch plan of a 4-bedroom bungalow. Study the sketch plan with the given specifications and answer the questions that follow. Here is a note that all walls dimensions are into him. The overall dimension includes boundary walls. Alright, so we have the sketch plan here, and I want us to see the specifications. Here we have the specifications here, the details of the foundation, details of the floor, walls, lintel, doors, windows, beams, columns, roof, veranda, and steps. Then we have the questions that we have to answer here. Let's look at the questions. Question A says that draw to a scale of 1:100 Roman figure 1 floor plan, Roman figure 2 front elevation, and question B says that draw to a scale of 1:50 detailed section of JJ. Assume suitable dimensions where unspecified. Okay, so we are going to be making use of these specifications to work on this sketch plan that we have here. But before we go on to replicate the sketch plan as given to us, I want us to talk about this information given here, that we have to note that all walls dimensions are into in. The overall dimension includes boundary line. So we have overall dimension here, which is 17,300, and then for here we have it to be 12,625. Then these dimensions that we are given for each part, as we are informed here that walls dimension are into in, it means that these dimensions are from one inner face of the wall to the next inner face of the wall. Let me say it again. These dimensions, as we have it here, each of these dimensions that we have here they are meant for they are taken from the inner face of the wall to the next inner face of the wall. You are going to see how I'm going to work this out. So let's see how this can be done. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to be positioning each wall, and at the same time I'll be making the wall thick. I'll be producing the thickness of the wall at the same time. So let's first of all look at the thickness of the wall here, as we have that all walls 225 concrete hollow blocks. So let's take that into consideration. So if we divide 225, which is the wall thickness, by 100, that gives us 2.25. That means the thickness of the wall is 2 millimeters. So let's see how that can be worked out. So I'm having the sketch plan here. Okay, so I'm bringing it as I move on. So what I'm going to do here first is to draw a horizontal line. So make sure you have space here, because we are still going to produce this projection. So from this point, let's draw a horizontal line to this side like this, and then so I will come here. I'm going to produce a vertical line from this point. So here I have a vertical line here like this. Okay, so we have this now. So let's start with this vertical wall that we have here. So for this vertical wall, okay, that we have here, so I'm going to take the thickness of the wall inside. Okay, this is the boundary wall. Okay, so which is this one. So then I'm going to take the thickness of this wall, so which is 2 millimeters. So I'll come down here, I'll come to this side here, and I'll take a measurement of 2 millimeters here. So this is 2 millimeters. So I'm going to draw. So I'm going to make it a thick line at once. Okay. All right. So we make it a thick line like this. Okay. So okay, we bring out the thickness of the wall. Okay. So now, so this distance that we have here, 3,725. Okay. So as I said, that the measurement is taken from this inner face of the wall. So I'm going to take a measurement of 37. Okay, if we divide that by 100, that gives us 37. So I take a measurement of 37 millimeters from this second line that we used to tick the wall. So this is 37 millimeters here. So if you look at this wall, so this wall goes down. So I'm going to draw a vertical line. So from that point, so I'll draw a vertical line from that point coming down here. Okay, so so we draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so then I'll now take the thickness of the wall, which is 2 millimeters. So here is 2 millimeters here. So I'm going to draw a line. Okay, so draw a line. So from here, so I'll draw a line like this. Okay, so we have this. So next, so we have this particular word here. Before I work on this one, let's work on it because these are together. So we take a measurement of okay, so let me take this one. This is just a short wall. So that is what we have 1750. So 1750. So that's going to be 18 millimeters. So this is 18 millimeters here. So the next one, okay, so I will take a measurement of 2 millimeters again. So this is 2 millimeters. So that I can take the next one, which is also 18 millimeters. So I'll take a measurement of 18 millimeters, and this is 18 millimeters and 2 millimeters, okay, for the thickness. So for here, okay, so maybe I should just all right, so let's draw the short vertical line. So I'll come to this point and draw a short vertical line here like this. Okay, then here also I will take a short vertical line like this, and then here I will also so take a short vertical line. Okay, so here we have a short vertical line, and then here we also have a short vertical line here. Okay, then so here we now have this wall come down here, and then this particular one that I have here, I can just bring it down. So let me bring it down here because it goes down here, and then here also this also goes down. So we have this now. So for this particular wall that we have here, okay, then we also have this wall. So we are taking measurement of, so this is 3500, that's 35. So I take a measurement of 35 millimeters here. So this is 35, and then 2 millimeters for the thickness. So this is it. Okay, all right, so don't forget that we are taking the thickness of the wall in between each other from the inner face. So that's what we are doing here. Okay, all right, so then so I'm going to draw a vertical line here. So that is for this wall that we have here. So I'll take a measurement. I'm going to draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line like this, and then here also I will draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line like this. Then next one, so I have this wall. I have this wall here. Okay, so the so from this line, I'll take a measurement of 18 millimeters. This is 18 millimeters and its thickness, so 2 millimeters in. So we have this now. So then for this particular one, so for this particular one to end it here, this is 3200. So I will take it from this second line here that we used to tick it. Okay, so that's 32. So this is 32 millimeters. Then I will take 2 millimeters. This is the inner face of the wall. Then the 2 millimeters will be taken. So in here, this is one, two. So it will be taken in here. So we have this like this. All right. So then I'm going to this short wall. This is a short wall. So I will draw a vertical line like this, and then coming here, I will also draw a vertical line like this, and then here I'm going to draw a vertical line down here, this. Then here also I will take a vertical line, so down here like this. All right, so we have fixed all the vertical walls as you can see it here. Now let's go for the inner walls. Okay, so I'm going to start with this particular one that we have here. So I'm going to start with this particular one. Okay, so so we distance from here to here. So don't forget that okay, so let's start with this. So for this one now, So for this one now, we have to take in this horizontal wall. So we have to take a measurement of 2 millimeters from here before we can take that measurement. So we take 2 millimeters in here. Okay, so I'm going to draw horizontal line. So I'm going to draw horizontal line here like this. Okay, so here I will draw horizontal line. I need to set it. Okay, all right, so we'll draw horizontal line like this to this end. Okay, so from this point now, I will now take the measurement of this, which is 35 millimeters. So I will take 35 from this line that we just drew. So I take 35 millimeters here. Okay, this 35. Then I will take 2 millimeters for the thickness of that wall. So you can see that this wall now, this wall goes to the end as we have it. So I'm just going to draw horizontal line from here to the end. So it goes like this. Okay, so then for this one, I will also draw horizontal line from here to this end. So we have it like this. All right, so then the next wall that we have here is this wall that we have here, and its distance from here is 2000. So I'm going to take that measurement. So I'm taking it from this line now. I'm taking it from this line. Okay, so I'll take a measurement of 20 millimeters. So this is 20 millimeters here. Okay, then the thickness of the wall is 2 millimeters. So take 2 like this. Okay, so I'm going to draw horizontal line. So that horizontal line touches this line and this line. So I'm going to draw horizontal line like this. So from here to here, and then I'll also take it. So draw horizontal line from here to here. So we have this. All right, so then next one is we have this wall. We have this wall. Okay, so this wall that we have here, okay, so this wall that we have here, so from this wall it is 35, or that's 3,500. So I will come here to take a measurement of 35 millimeters. So this is 35. Okay, so this is 35. Okay, so then I will take 2 down. So this is 2 millimeters. So I'm going to draw this line. So draw a line from here to here like this, and then I will draw this line from here to here. All right, so then so next one that we have here is this wall that we have here. So distance from here to here is 2000. So I'm taking it from this line, from this second one. Okay, so I will take a measurement of 20. So this is 20 millimeters. Then I'll take 2 down. So this is 2 millimeters. So then I'm going to draw horizontal line. So from here to here. Okay, so this goes to this point. Okay, so then I'm going to draw this. All right, so we have this wall in place. All right, so it has to go to the end. This has to go to the end. So it goes to this end, and then this also, we are going to draw it. So we draw it, so it goes to this end. So we have this now. All right, so then we are left to position this particular wall here. Okay, so at the veranda, so we are here to position this. So looking at what we have here, from here to here, from this line here to this point is 2,500. So we are taking it from this line. Okay, so we take 25 millimeters. So this is 25 millimeters. Okay, and then so we take that 2 millimeters. So we take it down here. Okay, all right, because this line is for the inner part of the wall. So I'm going to draw this line. So from here to here, and I'll also draw from here to here. All right, so then I'm going to close this. All right, so we are positioned the walls. Then we have what we have the steps here. So for these steps, so we have to go to the specifications to know the thread, the detail of the thread. So for the thread, here we have for the steps, we have the riser, so 150, we have the thread, 300. So we are making use of the thread in the plan. So that is 300 by 300 by 100 give us 3 millimeters. So we are to so we come down here, we come here and we take a short vertical line down. So we are going to take 3 millimeters in two places. So this is 1 2 3. So this is 3 millimeters. Under 3 1 2 3. So this is 3 millimeters. Okay, so then the length, so the length is so let's look at the length. So the length is from here to here is 1500. So that is 15 millimeters. So you have to take a measurement of 15 millimeters from here. 15 millimeters from here. So this is 15 millimeters. So I'm going to come here and draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so then I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So let me make it a thick line at once. Okay. Come meet mommy. Alright, so this gives us the steps. So we have the steps like this. Okay, so we have positioned the steps. Okay, so having done this now, so we need to fix either the doors or the windows. Okay, let's fix the windows first. Let's fix the windows. So let's know the details of the windows. So we come to the specifications, and here we have that windows. So we have two types of windows. We have W and W1. For W, so we have 1500 by 1000 aluminum glazed casement window, and then we have W1 750 by 750 aluminum glazed casement window. So we have this to be the, so this is so this is going to be the width, and this is the height, the width and the height. So that's what we have then. Okay, so now, so let's fix the windows. So we start, we have, or let's see the position of the windows in the wall. So here we have one here, so 15 millimeters. So 15 millimeters. So here we have from here, so to here. Okay, so we have this. So we are fixing this. All right, so then we draw two lines within this space. All right, so then we have W1 here. So we have W1 here. So that is 8 millimeters. So we have it to be 750 by 750. So 750 by 100 will give us 7.5, and that is going to be approximately 8 millimeters. So here we fix that. All right, so then we have another one here, W1. So also 8 millimeters. Okay, so fix that here. All right, so then we have W here, that is 15 millimeters. So this is 15. All right, so we have fixed that window. So then here we have W1 here in the store. That's 8 millimeters. So try as much as possible to centralize it. All right, so we all right. So next, so here we have W1 here. Sorry, we have W, that is 15 millimeters. So 15 from here to here. So we fix this window. All right, so we draw these lines. All right, so we have fixed all the windows on this wall. So let's come here. So here we have WW. So let's fix the two windows that we have here. That's 15, 15. So here we have 15 and okay. All right, so there's another one here. So 15 millimeters. All right, so we have fixed the windows here. So let's come here. So here we have W1. Okay, so we still need to break this into two. So we need to break this into two. So we need to break this into two as we have it here. So we are taking 18, 18. So this is 18 millimeters. Here is 18 millimeters. Okay, so then 2 millimeters inward for the thickness. So I'm going to, this particular part where we have water closet and bath. Okay, and we bring out the wall thickness like this. Okay, so all right, so then so here we have W1, so that is 8 millimeters for the window, is 8 millimeters. All right, so we have fixed this window. Then so let's fix this, another 8. Okay, so we need to take our time to work this out. And then here we have W, that's 15. So from here to here, and let me just, okay, let me leave it here. So this is 15. Then all right, so we have fixed that window. So we also have a window here in the dining, so that is also W, so 15. Okay, all right, so we have fixed this window. So here we have W1 here, so this is W1 here. So we have not, so we need to break this. So we need to break this. We have to take 15. So for this water closet, so we have to take 15 inward, so 15 millimeters inward. We take it from the inner face of the wall. So this is 15 here. So I'm going to draw a vertical line from this point. Okay, so this is the vertical line. Then I'll now take 2 millimeters from here. So this is 2 millimeters for the thickness of the wall. So here I will draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so we have brought out this part. So here we have W1, so that is 8 millimeters. All right, so we'll fix this window. All right, so we have fixed the windows here on this face. Then we have what we have. So here are the living room. So we have two of W here. So we have one here. Okay, then we have another one here. So take 15. All right, so So here we have this. All right, so we have fixed it. Then we have another one here at the kitchen. So also W. So we take 15. All right, so we have fixed all the windows as we have it in the sketch plan. So this is becoming a floor plan as we have made the walls thick, and then we have fixed the windows. So let's fix the doors. So let's go and look at details of the doors. So for the doors, so here we have what we have doors. So we have DD. So that is double door. So 2100 by 1800 glass sliding door in aluminum frame. So glass sliding door in aluminum frame. Then we also have D 2100 by 900 by 40 flush door in 100 by 100 hardwood frame. Okay, so let's start with this double door. Where do we have double door? So let's take note of where we have double door. So double door is an entrance door at this point, and don't forget that it's a sliding door. It's a sliding door. So we have that the width for both of them is 1/800. So the 1/800, that's going to be 18 millimeters. 18 millimeters to be 18 millimeters. So we have it here. Okay, so we have it here. So we are going to break it into two. That is 9 millimeters each. So this is 9 millimeters. Then I will take 9 millimeters again, making 18. So here we are fixing. So the doors here, they are sliding doors. So in this case now, so because they are sliding door, so we are going to draw a line like this, and then so we draw the second one. So we make arrowhead on each of them. They are sliding door. So okay, so just an arrowhead like this, and then an arrowhead on this. Okay, so that means they are moving. So this is moving to this side, okay, and they are both moving. So they are sliding doors. So that's how we are going to leave them. And then so okay, so we have the next two door. So the next door that we have here, we have a door in the toilet. That is all. That is D. So for that D, so we have the width to be 900. That is 9 millimeters, which is the flush door that we have there. So 9 millimeters. So we take 9 millimeters from, so 9 millimeters from this, 9 millimeters. Okay, so we have this. We can just fix it like this. Okay, so taking 9 millimeters inward from this point. Okay, all right, so then I will connect these 2 points together. All right, so we have fixed that door. So there's another door. So we have what? We have another door. So we have a door here at this point here. There's a door here at this point. So let's work that out. So it is placed in the middle. So from here, so this is 9 millimeters. All right, so then, so that is in the passage. So I'm going to, all right, so I fixed the door. So there's a door here to the dining room. So door to the dining room. So we have it here. Okay. Then, so we fix this. So this is the door. All right, so we have fixed that. So we also have a door in the bedroom. So it's placed in the middle. All right, so we take 9 in here for the vertical line like this. Then we join this together. So this is the door. So this door can be opened to this side. Then we have a door. So that is D to the water closet here. All right, so then okay, so we have fixed that door. So there's a door here too. So there's a door here to the water closet. That's 9 millimeters. Alright, so then we connect this together for the door. So this is the door. So we have fixed this door on this wall. Okay, so we have this. Then we have a door here to the bedroom here. This door. Okay, so here we okay, so then we fix the door here. Alright, so we have fixed that door. So there's a door here also to this bedroom. Okay. And so we draw this line 9 millimeters up, and then so we fix this door. So fix this door. So we have fixed the door here. So then here also, so the dimensions around here is not given. I mean, for this wall that we have here is not given. So I'm just going to assume 20. So I'm going to assume it to be 20 millimeters. So taking it from the okay, so maybe I should make it so you should make it 18. So let me make it 18 millimeters. So this is 18 millimeters here. So I'm going to draw horizontal line. So coming here, I'm going to draw horizontal line. So here, so draw horizontal line like this. Then I will take a measurement of 2 millimeters out for the thickness of the wall. You know, this stands for the inner face of the wall. So this is 2 millimeters. So I'm drawing horizontal line from here. So we have it like this. All right, so we have fixed that wall. So now, so let's work on the placing of this door. So this door that we have here, it is placed here in the middle. So we have 9 millimeters. Okay. All right, so then um, 9 millimeters up like this, and then so we fix this. All right, so we have fixed that door. So then we also have a door from this bedroom. So you draw from this bedroom into this water closet and bath. So also place in the middle here. Okay, so 9 millimeters up, vertical, and then we connect these together. All right, so this door has been fixed. Okay, so then here to the bedroom. So here to the bedroom. So we also have a door. So this door that we have here, so this door is facing, it is facing this door. So I'm just going to, okay, so we go this way and join. So we fix this together. Okay, so the door here is fixed. All right, so where else do we have a door? So we have a door. There's a door here. So into the kitchen from the living room. So I need to connect this line together like this. Okay, so let's put this door here. Okay, so here we have 9 millimeters. All right, so fix the door here. Okay, so where else do we have a door? So we have a door here from this kitchen into the store. So that is also D1. So we take 9 millimeters in here. So here we have this. Okay. Um, okay. So we have fixed all the doors as you can see it here. All the doors, all the windows have been fixed as we have it here. So what we are left with, is to fill this part with what we are given. So let's do that. So this is a bedroom. So you write bedroom here. Okay, so that's a bedroom, and then this also a bedroom. Okay, so we have that, and then this is water closet and bath. So plus bath. Okay, so here we also have water closet. So plus bath. All right, so then this is also a bedroom. Okay, so here is a passage. So this is a passage. All right, so then we have bedroom here. Okay, so this is water closet. So plus bath. And then here also is a water closet plus bath. All right, so then here it is a store. And then this is kitchen. So here is a living room. Okay, so here we have veranda. And this is WC, water closet. Then we also have dining room here. All right, so then there's a beam here, so we also have a beam here in the veranda. So this is a beam, so this is a beam, so from here to here is a beam. So we make this short dashes line like this. Okay, so this is a beam, and then so we also have this to be a beam. So this has to come down. This is a wall all down to this place. Okay, so we have this, while this is part of the beam. So all this is a beam. All right, so we have there's a column here. There's a circular column at this point. So this is it. There's a circular column at this point, so which has to be shown. So I'm just going to use my hand to do it like this. So it's a circular column within this part. Okay, so we have it there. So we have fixed that. Then there's a beam here. So we have a beam here to the dining, and they said we have to take 750. That's 8 millimeters. So if we are to approximate that after dividing by 100, so this is 8 millimeters here, and I'll come here. So I have to bring this down. Okay, and then bring this down. So we take 8 millimeters from here. So this is 8 millimeters. Okay, so the beam is now between these two. So here we have the beam to the dining. So make a short dashes line as we see it in the sketch plan. Okay, so this also short dashes line like this for the beam. All right, so we have fixed the beam as we see it there. All right, so let's put in the cutting plane. So the cutting plane, as we see it, you have to put in the cutting plane. So for the cutting plane, so the cutting plane as we see it here, so this is the cutting plane JJ as we have it here. So we also need to show it in the floor plan. Okay, so the cutting plane goes, so from the kitchen, so it goes like this from the kitchen. Okay, okay, so we have it like this. So the cutting plane is drawn with thick long chin line. All right, so then it goes from here. All right, so here we have the cutting plane. So we have to put the arrowhead on it. And then there's something that we still need to fix here. So that is the east projection. All right, so the arrowhead has to be shown. So this is arrowhead JJ. So arrowhead JJ. All right, so we have fixed the arrowhead. So let's quickly put in the east projection. So let's look at the specifications. Eaves is 600. It is put here in the roof. Eaves is 600. So let's put the eaves. Okay, so to put the eaves, so what we are to do here, and these steps, let me bring it out clearly. So we have to make this a thick line, and also this thick line. Okay, from here to here. So those are the steps that we have it here. All right, so let's put the eaves projection. For the eaves projection, so this is what we are to do to bring out the eaves projection. So I'm just coming here like this. So I take a measurement of 6 millimeters out like this, and on this side I will extend so this line a bit. So take 6 from this wall, 6 millimeters from this wall. This is 6 millimeters. Okay, so drawing a vertical line here. Okay, so from this point, I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So out like this. Okay, so then I'll take 6 from this wall, and then here I'm going to draw a vertical line. All right, so we have this here on this side here. So we take 6 millimeters out here from this point. So this is 6 millimeters. So I'll draw a vertical line from here. All right, so we have this. So let's do the one on this side. Okay, so I will take 6 millimeters. So this is 6. Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line. All right, so we have that. So it remains this front part. Okay, so I'm taking 6 from here. This is 6 millimeters. I'm going to draw this line. All right, so we have this. All right, so for the east projection, so we are going to make all the lines. We are going making them short dashes line. We're making them short dashes line. So here we make short dashes line like this. Okay, so we make this also short dashes line. All right, so then so we go this way, making this short dashes line. All right, so then on this side, so we also make this short dashes line. So this is called east projection. Okay, so then on this side, so we make this short dashes line from here. This is how we represent east projection in the floor plan. All right, so we have put the east projection there. So it's as simple as I've done it here. So all you have to do is to practice. I noticed that there is a door that I'm here to fix here. There's a door here that I'm here to fix. I mean this door here from the passage into this corridor. So let's quickly fix it. So it is put in the middle down. That is D1. Oh, sorry, that is D 9 millimeters. Okay, so we have it like this. Okay, so then I can slide it to either side. So let's slide it here and we fix this together. All right, so we have fixed the door as we have it. So I can decide to make this line stick, but because of time, so let's leave it here. So all the doors have been fixed, all the windows have been fixed, and we have labeled the part. We put the curtain plane. Another thing that we need to put here is to write it here. So we need to write floor plan. So we write floor plan. Okay, so floor plan. Okay, so floor plan, and then we write the scale. So scale um, scale 1, so 1:100. So that's it. Okay, so we have completed the floor plan. So let's meet on that of the front elevation. Thank you and God bless you.